Pakistan Stock Exchange is the main stock market of Pakistan where shares of companies are traded. It helps businesses raise money and allows investors to buy and sell stocks. PSX shows the performance of the market through indices like KSE 100 and is regulated by the SECP to ensure fairness and transparency. Investors purchase stocks which represent partial ownership in a company. Company grows or performs well, its stock value often rises, benefiting shareholders. Trades are executed through stock exchanges with the help of brokers or digital. There are different types of stocks. Common stocks offer ownership and voting rights but come with variable dividends. Growth stocks are from companies expected to grow faster than average, often reinvesting profits rather than paying dividends. Value stocks are considered undervalued and may provide steady dividends. Investors often build diverse portfolios that balance risk and reward by mixing stock types.
The stock market is composed of various key players who influence its operation. These include institutional investors like banks and mutual funds, retail investors, individuals, brokers who execute trades, and regulators like the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) that oversee fair practices. Each participant brings unique behaviors and motivations, contributing to the overall market activity. Understanding who is involved helps investors better interpret market movements and plan their strategies.
Investing in the stock market can lead to significant financial gains, but it also comes with inherent risks. Prices can be volatile, influenced by economic shifts, political developments, natural disasters, or internal company issues. The potential for high returns often attracts investors, but losses are equally possible. Risk management strategies like diversification, regular portfolio review, and informed decision-making are essential to protect and grow investments over time. In the Pakistan Stock Exchange, common investment strategies include buying and holding shares for long-term growth, investing in undervalued stocks with the potential to rise, value investing, and focusing on companies with high future growth potential. Some investors prefer dividend-paying stocks for regular income, while others engage in short-term trading to profit from quick market movements. The stock market is more than a financial platform. It's a reflection of global economic health. A booming market can indicate business confidence and economic expansion, while a crashing market may signal recession or instability. Government policy, interest rates, international trade, and geopolitical events all affect stock market performance. Market performance can in turn influence hiring, production, consumer confidence, and global investment trends. The market moves in cycles including bull markets rising prices and bear markets falling prices. Recognizing these trends is crucial for timing investment decisions. Long-term trends are shaped by economic indicators like GDP growth, inflation rates, and unemployment. Meanwhile, short-term trends might be influenced by news events or investor psychology. Modern investing has been transformed by technology. Online trading platforms, algorithmic trading, robo-advisors, and AI-powered analytics have made the stock market more accessible and efficient than ever.
The stock market offers immense potential for growth and financial empowerment. With a clear understanding of how it works, a well-thought-out strategy, and a long-term perspective, individuals and businesses can harness its power.